Hey there! Are you struggling to speak English fluently? Don't worry, today, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll share 5 simple steps to make speaking English easier and faster. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident, more comfortable, and ready to speak English anywhere, anytime. So, stick with me, and let's get started. Step 1. Understand what fluency really means. First, let's talk about what fluency actually means. Many people think that being fluent means speaking perfectly without making mistakes. But that's not true. Fluency isn't about perfection, it's about speaking smoothly, without long pauses. It's about expressing your ideas and moving forward, even if you make mistakes along the way. Think of fluency like driving a car. If you're fluent, you're driving without stopping too much. Sure, you might pause here and there, but you keep moving forward. Your words flow naturally. To achieve fluency, focus on keeping the conversation going. It's okay to make mistakes or hesitate a little. The goal is to keep moving forward. Once you understand this, you're ready for the next step. Step 2. Talk, and talk some more. This might sound simple, but it's super important. To get better at speaking English, you actually have to speak English. Think of it like exercising. If you want strong muscles, you lift weights. If you want strong English skills, you have to talk. Speaking is a skill, not just knowledge. You can learn words and grammar rules, but speaking takes practice. It's like playing a sport or an instrument. You can learn the basics from a book, but to improve, you have to practice regularly. Here's how you can start. Find a speaking partner. This could be a friend, family member, or teacher. They don't have to speak perfect English, the goal is to practice. Join a language club or class. If there's nothing local, try online language exchange platforms. Practice small conversations, talk about your day, ask questions, or share your favorite hobbies. Every little conversation helps. Remember, you don't need to start with complicated topics. Start small, and build your confidence over time. Step 3. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Think of practicing English like brushing your teeth. You wouldn't do it just once a week, right? You do it every day to keep your teeth healthy. Practicing English works the same way. Even a few minutes of practice daily makes a big difference. Here are some simple ways to practice. Read aloud, pick a book, article, or even a recipe and read it out loud. Talk to yourself, narrate what you're doing in English. For example, while cooking, say, "I'm chopping vegetables. Now, I'm putting them in the pan." Repeat sentences. Watch TV shows or YouTube videos and repeat sentences you hear. These small, consistent actions will train your brain to think in English, which is a big step toward fluency. Step 4. Get comfortable with feeling uncomfortable. Here's the truth. Learning to speak a new language can feel awkward, uncomfortable, or even embarrassing. But that's completely normal. Every language learner feels this way, even the ones who are fluent now. Think of it like learning to dance. At first, you might feel silly because you don't know all the steps, but with time, you improve. It's the same with English. You might feel nervous at first, but that feeling goes away as you practice. A quick tip: don't aim for perfection. Focus on communicating your ideas. Most people don't care about your mistakes, they care that you're trying. Step 5. Use real-life examples. Make your practice as realistic as possible by focusing on situations you're likely to face. For example, ordering food, practice sentences like, "I'd like a coffee, please." Asking for directions, "Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop?" Talking about your daily routine, share what you do each day. You can also tell stories about yourself, like your favorite movie or a fun day you had. For example, last Saturday, I went to the park. I walked my dog, met some friends, and had a picnic. The weather was sunny, and I felt happy. Storytelling is a great way to practice fluency because it's personal and natural. Bonus tips: keep the conversation flowing. If you forget a word, don't stop, describe it instead. For example, if you forget the word vegetables, you can say, "the green things you eat." Use fillers like well, or "let me think" to give yourself extra time to find the right words. This makes your speaking sound more natural and helps you feel more confident. Stay positive and motivated. Remember, learning a language is a journey, not a race. There will be ups and downs, but every mistake you make is a step closer to fluency. Instead of thinking, "I made a mistake," think, "I'm learning." Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep going. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Challenge for you. Start speaking English today. Even if it's just to yourself, take that first step. Try these 5 steps, and you'll see a big difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out our next video for more tips to improve your English. See you there.